Hello guys, and today let's talk about inverse of a relation. Inverse of a relation. So inverse of a relation is written as r to the power minus 1. Its symbol is something like this. So what an inverse of a relation means is that if r is defined from a to b, if r is defined from a to b, then inverse of r is defined from b to a. This is what it means. Or simply you can say r inverse is equals to b comma a such that a comma b belongs to r. What this means is, if a relation contains a comma b as its subset, then r inverse will contain b comma a as its subset. So if you see, then domain of r will be equals to range of r inverse, and range of r will be equals to domain of r inverse, because the entries, that is the entries in the subset a cross b will be changed to b comma a when it will be defined from b to a. So the entries, the elements in the order pair will switch itself. Hence our domain, that is our first entry, will become our second entry in r inverse, and our range of r, that is the second entry in a to b, will become our first entry in r inverse, that is b to a. Let's do a question on it. Suppose we have a question in which our set A is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and our set B is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and R is defined from A to B such that ARB, that is A is related to B, such that A plus 2B is equals to 10, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Now we have to find R inverse. Okay, so what we have to do, relation R will be subset of A cross B, and we can write it directly as it will be under this condition, that is A plus 2B should be equals to 10. Okay, so this means A plus 2B should be equals to 10. So if you try to figure it out, I want you to do it on your own. You will get relation to be 2, 4, 4, 3, 6, 2, and 8, 1. You can check it here as well. 2 plus 2 times 4, that will be equals to 10. Same with 4 plus 3 times 2 will be equals to 10, and with all this, so our relation will be 2, 4, 4, 3, 6, 2, and 8, 1. So what will be our R inverse? Well, our R inverse will be, one way could be that you have to find B cross A, then you find B cross A, then you find this relation satisfying this condition, and then you solve it. Or you can simply switch these entries, that is, this will be 4, 2, this will be 3, 4, this will become 2, 6, and this will become 1, 8, and this will be our inverse of our relation.